Welcome to the Pitt State Library's web tutorials. Today we will learn how to use the RefWorks Citation Management Program. RefWorks helps you store citations from your research process, upload drafts, organize citations into folders, and quickly create a bibliography. To create an account, you need to access RefWorks from the Summon Search tool on the Pitt State Library's homepage, axe.pittstate.edu. Scroll down to the What Are You Looking For section to find the Summon Search box. You can either search for something specific or do a blank search. From here, click on RefWorks Login in the top right side of the page. If this is your first time using RefWorks, you will need to create an account by verifying your Pitt State email and creating a password. This password is not associated with your GUS account. Once you have finished creating an account, RefWorks can be accessed from the same Summon Search window, or you can go directly to refworks.proquest.com. To show some of the basic features, let's export some references from Summon into RefWorks. For this example, we'll do a Summon search for the topic graphic novels. Once you find results that fit your research topic, click on the folder icon next to the items we want to export. After selecting some sources, click the Save Folder icon in the top right side of the page. This will export them directly to RefWorks. In RefWorks, on the left-hand side, these citations will automatically appear under Last Imported. From here, you can view all references, create folders, or add tags. Once you click the check boxes for some of the titles, the top section will give you the option to assign to existing folders or create a bibliography. The Add icon gives you the option to add a new reference or upload other documents. This is very helpful if you want to add paper outlines or drafts. To create a bibliography, click the Create a Bibliography icon. From the drop-down options, you can select Create Bibliography. The next page allows you to preview how your citations will look once formatted, and gives you the option to select different citation formatting styles. Please remember to always check the results for consistency and review any formatting requirements your assignment or professor specified. This should give you a basic overview of how to access and use RefWorks to organize citations and create bibliographies. If you need any further help or have any additional questions, drop by the reference desk or message us through the library chat service. Thank you for watching the RefWorks tutorial. Make sure to check out our other web tutorials and subscribe to our channel.